This week saw the beginning of what is expected to be a 4-week trial where Gerry Adams, the former Sinn Féin president, MP and TD, is suing the BBC for defamation. Gerry Adams is seeking damages over a Spotlight programme that made allegations that he sanctioned the murder of Denis Donaldson, a former Sinn Féin and IRA operative who was murdered in Donegal in a remote cottage after he was exposed as being a spy for the British security forces. This is a high-stakes defamation case because Gerry Adams is impugning the BBC's reputation for solid journalism. He is saying they engage in shoddy journalism by relying on the evidence from an anonymous source who was called Martin in the Spotlight programme. They're saying the allegation that he sanctioned the murder of Denis Donaldson was based solely on this anonymous source and was a breach of BBC editorial guidelines. The BBC is fully defending the case and have an extensive legal team involved, led by Denton solicitors and former Attorney General Paul Gallagher and leading senior counsel Owen McCullough, who's an expert in defamation law. So far in the first week, Gerry Adams has given evidence solely due to questions from his own legal team, which has brought him through his role as a peacemaker during the Troubles period and the Good Friday Agreement in the 1990s. We are just getting to the stage of the trial now where Gerry Adams will be cross-examined by the BBC, and that is sure to cause a lot of ructions, and there'll be a lot of interesting questions put to Gerry Adams about his past and his own involvement and alleged involvement with the IRA and the IRA Army Council. The trial is expected to last 3 to 4 weeks and is being overseen by Judge Alexander Owens.